Well, we are Chuck and Sheila Moore from Syracuse, and we just spent the day with Rob with his wild horse tours. We just had a great day, saw probably 150 or more horses, and just incredible. Rob's there to help you every step of the way, set your camera to the right settings, all the things that I don't know how to do, but we had a great time.
We saw like, what, three herds of horses?
Three groups at least, yeah.
And saw them jumping up, and it's been on my bucket list, and it definitely overflowed my bucket list. You guys gotta go, it's awesome.
Hi, I'm Karen, and I just, at the end of the day, for the wild horses, we brought Daugherty, and it's surely exceeded my expectations because I wasn't sure. I thought we'd probably have to like be on top of the car and seeing him 2 miles away, and I thought, oh, I should have brought my scope, but didn't need it at all. They're great. I highly recommend the tour.
Hi everybody, I'm Francia Benson. Ever since I learned that there were white horses here in Utah, I wanted to come and shoot a video and a couple of pictures, and I am fortunate enough that I could come with Rob, and it has been an amazing experience. We saw tons of horses, more than 200 probably, and yeah, the experience is phenomenal. I recommend it, and thank you.